In this slide, we are going to see evidence of climate change. Basically, there are different diagrams which has been given in the reading material, which gives different sources which tells that climate has really changed. So the first diagram talks about global annual average temperature. Here the temperature is relative to 1850 to 1900 average, and if you see this diagram, so this is an increasing trend here. In the second diagram, it shows satellite measurement of the global monthly average temperature anomaly, and this is relative to 1991 to 2020 period. In this, the trend in global average temperature measured by the instruments on different satellites during this period of overlap confirms that the surface temperature is increasing. So here also, if you see the trend, so it is increasing. Now coming to the third diagram, it shows Arctic sea ice extent, and it is measured in millions of square kilometers. In this diagram, we see that global average cumulative mass change of world's glacier. So this mass is decreasing. It is measured in tons per meter square, and it confirms that it is expected out of global warming. In the next diagram, that is diagram number D, it talks about global average cumulative mass change in the world's glaciers. Again, it is measured in tons per meter square, and it confirms that we are losing the grounded ice, and this leads to increase in sea level as water is melting, and because of the heating, water expands. Then the next diagram is on ocean energy content. Now 93% of the heat trapped by greenhouse gases goes into heating the oceans. And if you see the temperature content of oceans, so it is basically measured in top 2 kilometers of the ocean, and it confirms that oceans are gaining energy. Then the last diagram is on global average sea level change. This also confirms that sea level is rising, which is one of the impact of global warming. So these are some of the direct as well as indirect evidences of warming, and there can be questions related to different kinds of impact which is happening because of global warming, whether it is in terms of sea level or in terms of glacier ice or Arctic sea ice, and also which are the different instruments which are used to measure sea level.